low.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from the islands of Ohio to Illinois, Ohio, open waters from the islands of Ohio to Illinois, Ohio, until 6:30.
Oh God, hi.
At 5:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Avon Point, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations of 10.
Oh, this didn't activate. That sucks. Oh. The tuner's dying on it, that's why. Crap. Well, that's not what I was wanting to see. Crap. Oh, at least this guy went off. Great.
Sunday night.
Alright, that guy's still going.
Set. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy. Showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then a chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. Chance of...
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ottawa County in northwestern Ohio.
Urgent weather message.
Sandusky County
The
in
National Weather
northwestern
Service
Ohio
in Cleveland
until
has
7
issued a
p.m.
severe
Eastern Daylight
thunderstorm
Time.
warning for Ottawa County in northwestern Ohio, Erie County, Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of General to near Pittsburgh to near Fremont, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sandusky, Fremont, Fort Clinton, Kelly's Island, Pullman Bay, Bellevue, Clyde, Oak Harbor, Sunburn, Genoa, Woodville, Elmore, Green Springs, Northern Myron, Castalia, Mobile, Catawba Island, Marblehead, Bayview, and Lindsay. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Erie, Ottawa, and Sandusky.
For the following marine locations, related to Illinois. Tonight, west winds 5 to 15.
Our temperature off Toledo is 74 degrees, off Cleveland 71 degrees, and off Erie
5 to 10 miles per hour. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 60s. Northeast winds around 5 miles per hour, becoming southeast after midnight. Independence Day, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming...
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore and open waters from Reno Beach, Ohio to Vermilion, Ohio, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 15 nautical miles southeast of North Cape to 10 nautical miles southwest of Sandusky Bay, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Pullman Bay, Huron, Kelly's Island, and Sandusky Bay. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Locations of transit include Sandusky, Fremont, Port Clinton, Jones. Urgent weather message.
Pittsburgh, probably?
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has
Oh,
issued
no.
a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Portage County in northeastern
Portage.
Ohio, western Mahoning County in northeastern Ohio.
I thought it was
Summit
done.
County in northeastern Ohio, southeastern Summit County in northeastern Ohio until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Ravenna to near Green, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and any-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Agron, Canton, Ravenna, Maxwell, Greene, Alliance, Talmadge, North Canton, Louisville, Sebring, Mogador, Minerva, Hartsville, Navarre, Waynesburg, East Sparta, New Franklin, Greenfield, Canal Bolton, and Randolph. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Mahoning, Portage, Stark, and Summit.